Starting installation. Fix along the gutter line the wooden planks, having the same thickness as the Isotec panels, and then fix the gutter. Interpose a butyl aluminium tape between the metal stiffener of the Isotec and the gutter, in order to avoid electrochemical corrosion. Trim the panel lengthwise in relation to the tile used, or use an appropriate short panel version. The Isotec panel is available in 6, 8, 10 and 12 cm thicknesses. Fix the panel with self-tapping screws in the case of a steel structure, with screw anchors in the case of cement, and log bolts with a timber structure. The distance is about 1 meter between the fastenings. These must always be on the flat part of the metal stiffener. Seal the lateral dovetails of the panels with single-component silicone before joining. After the panel has been installed and fixed, waterproof the joints with the butyl aluminium tape. Continue with the second row with a standard width panel, cutting its length in order to stagger with the lateral joints of the first row. The panel can be cut in two by a stiff blade for the foam, and then by a circular saw for the metal stiffener, or in a single process by a circular saw. Before fixing it, pull the panel towards the underlying one to perfectly join the battens and then fix it. Completing the roof pitch. The cut parts of the panels can be used for the next row. Follow the same sequence for the next rows until you reach the ridge of the roof. When the ridge is reached, the upper panels must be trimmed along their backs. Fill with PU foam the space between the panels at the ridge, as well as the space between the panels and the lateral wooden planks. Afterwards, trim the excess foam and seal by applying aluminium butyl tape. The support for the last tile row is made by placing a metal stiffener and fixing it to the bottom frame. Fix the under-ridge brackets on the flat part of the stiffener. Lay and fix the zinc-lead ridge liner by inserting it into the flaps on the top of the brackets. Apply the lateral flashing onto the wooden planks, having the same thickness as the panels. Apply the ventilated list along the gutter line to ensure the proper inclination of the first row of tiles. Fill the gaps between the Isotec panels and the protruding parts, such as chimneys, exhaust flues, dormer windows, with PU foam. Then place an upturned V above them to ensure a protection from possible leaks. Finally, do not forget to protect the filled gaps and the upturned V with aluminium butyl tape.